Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a new video. So I feel like the past 40 videos, I've been doing the same thing. Starting the video out in the garage with the hood up and adding more titanium. So what I think this is the last of it. Me and Titanium Works have been talking a lot and getting all the bolts and everything that I really wanted to get done. And this was kind of I know I said this probably about 2 videos ago, but this was the last of it. There's a couple little parts and little bolts and everything that I really wanted to do. So I got a few more things. Over here, we have titanium J-hooks for the battery. So they are going to replace these right there, which is a really nice touch. I actually already have the nuts on here, so it's going to be a really nice addition to have those in titanium. Really nice. The next thing that I got, kind of hard to see in the baggie, but these are for the sensor. So if we go over here, 2 little screws on this sensor. I actually got 4 of them, so I might be able to find another spot that uses that thread pitch and use it somewhere else. Let's see. The intercooler bracket, these were 2 that I did not get or that I missed in my last batch, so they're going right there. Next up, we have the Cobb access port vent mount. These are the 2 little Allen screws that hold the vent mount into the dash, and I wanted to get some titanium Allen screws for that, so that's going in there. These I really wanted. These are for the hood. So if we look on the hood latch, you can see all these Allen screws. I did the actual hood latch here. But then I really noticed those, so I wanted to get those done. So I got these in titanium with their washers. Really nice. And this is a really cool one. I wasn't even considering this, but Titanium Works, obviously were watching my videos and they saw my camber plate bolts are not titanium. So they said, we offer them. I'm going to send you them. So I got 2 different styles. We got the normal hex, and then we got a cool little star bolt over here, which is really nice. They're going onto the camber plates here, so that's going to add a nice little touch to my coilovers. What else did we get? Oh, we got some miscellaneous other bolts. There's other places that I wanted to touch right here, and a couple other places around that I figured I wanted to get some bolts for. So let's go ahead, let's install. Again, I'm not gonna, walk you through the install. It's literally just removing bolts and putting new ones in. So we'll just do a little bit of a montage or something and get this knocked out. Alright guys, so I didn't get that much footage, mainly because I just kind of got in the zone and just started doing stuff. And also the tie downs for the battery. I thought both of these were the same size, but apparently that one in the back is much shorter. As you can see over here, this is the back one, this is the front one. So what I ended up having to do was actually cut it. So I got the butane torch out, heated it up, bent it off, and I ended up cutting off the extra. So I was able to use the back one, which you can't even see after all that work. I was gonna get some footage of it actually, doing all the work, but I was just so in the zone that I kind of just didn't even feel like recording. But let's go around and show you what we changed. So up here, we changed all the little Allen screws. It's so weird that they didn't put that one in the corner. It's just my OCD kind of kicking in here, but it's so strange. Maybe just because there wasn't enough grab or something. I don't know. But We changed all those. Let's see. We changed the 2 bolts here, the one there. We changed the tie downs on the batteries, both front and back. We changed all the camber bolts here. I changed the bolts back there with the grounds. And for the fuse box bracket back here, we changed the intercooler bracket bolts right there. Fuel lines, I'm missing one, which is bothering the heck out of me. I have the 2 there, but I am missing one. I was supposed to get 3, but I only got 2, which is no big deal. Again, I'll probably just place another small order or something like that just to finish it off. But I am missing that one. Let's see. Oh, I replaced the screws on the sensor over here. I changed up the pair and cover bolt over here. Let's see. Oh, I had some extras left over, so I was able to change these out. If we come over here, again, I changed the camber plate bolts over here. A couple things over here, I changed that. I had an extra nut that I put over there. I had a few extra hardware, so I ended up using it on the IAG AOS. I had one extra over there. On the interior of the car, I was able to change the access port vent mount. You can see one right there and one right there. Just a nice little touch. And I believe that's it. I may have changed a few other things, but honestly, I'm forgetting now. It's been a few hours of me just messing around and stuff and trying different bolts and changing things up. It's so funny how you think this would take like 20 minutes, but it ended up being like 2.5 hours of me just, you know, trying different things, moving them around, seeing what I want to do. Because I had a few extra bolts, like I said, so I was just trying to find other places for them. Oh yeah, and I also got another fastener for this, so I got them there just for looks. You know, that's not doing anything. Normally you would have the other side over here, but I can't run it since I have the cop red line intake, so I just run this half of it. But yeah, I believe that's pretty much it. So I'm hoping tomorrow I get the diodynamic DRL harness for the sea lights to come in. So I'll throw that in this video. I don't want to just do another titanium hardware engine bay video because I've done so many of them lately. But yeah, so I'll definitely throw that at the end of this video. So these are all the bolts and everything that I took out tonight. I have 2 spares, and these are all the bolts that I have changed over everything. So, you know, it's probably about over 100 bolts, I would say, bolts and nuts. So it's a decent amount of stuff. And it's crazy, you know, how it all adds up and everything. But honestly, it looks so good in here. In person, it really catches your eye way more than it does on camera or on video. The little bolts of the blue and everything and the purple, it's such a cool look, especially on Lapis. I absolutely love it. I will catch back up with you guys either tomorrow or the next day, depending on when the diodynamic harness comes in, because I just want to throw that at the end of this video. So I will pick this back up in a day or two. clip. I'm in a different car, obviously, but I'm actually on my way to go see Fast and Furious 9. But man, I absolutely love these. This is a Shelby GT 350. I want one bad. Those things look mean on the road. Oh, and there's a chick driving it too. Nice.